Changing the phone number associated with your Xbox account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox account. Go to the Xbox website or open the Xbox app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once signed in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found under your profile icon or in the menu options. Step 3. Select Security Information. In the Account Settings, find the option for Security or Security Information. Click on it to view your current security settings. Step 4. Update phone number. Look for the phone number section. Here, you can either edit your existing phone number or add a new one. Enter the new number and follow any prompts to verify. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your phone number has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your Xbox account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for assistance.